Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this OPPO. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on password and security. From here, click on lock screen password and tap on the best type of login method, numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Then wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. If you wish to pick different login method, click on use a different password type and tap on one of those options. I will stick with pattern though. Finally, you can create it, repeat it in order to confirm it, and choose enable or cancel and turn on fingerprint unlock. Now when I switch off my screen and then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to delete your login method, access the same lock screen settings, enter your current login method, and tap on turn off password under pattern. Now you need to enter it one more time, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!